Hi guys, this video is all about circles. I'm going to talk about getting the circumference of a circle and getting the area of a circle. So first let me start by just writing the two formulas. So the area of a circle equals pi r squared. Okay? A represents area. Pi is the number 3.14, on and on and on and on. R is the radius of a circle. And we'll actually draw a picture of a circle with its radius, and we'll talk about these things and present an example. Okay? Now, the second formula you need to know is circumference. Circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi times r. C is obviously circumference, and r is again the radius. Okay, so now let's draw a circle and its components and talk about how that relates to our formulas here. Okay, so here's our circle, and let's keep it black. Let's draw from its midpoint approximately right there, a straight line out to its edge. Okay. So this point center and this distance from the center to any point along the edge is always going to be the same, and that distance is going to be r, the radius. Okay? That is what the radius is. So if a problem gives you this distance from the center to the edge, then you can get not only the area but also the circumference of that circle. And that's really cool, because circles with one number, that is the radius, you can learn a lot about that circle. Okay, so let's do an example. Let's say we have a circle with radius equal to 3. And then we're asked what is the area and circumference of this circle. Okay? So to get the area, we're going to simply plug it into our formula. Pi is always the number 3.14, on and on and on. Pi and r squared, our r is 3, so we're going to put in parentheses and square it. This equals pi times 9, and we usually write it with the pi after the number. So our area equals 9 pi. And there's no real need to actually multiply this out. You can do it if you have a calculator and get a decimal number, but this is much cleaner and acceptable form. Okay? So that's area. How about circumference? That wasn't that bad. Circumference equals 2 pi and r, but instead of r, I'm going to put r radius, which is 3. Okay? Now we have 2 times pi times 3. So we can multiply these two and simplify this a little, so we'll get 6 pi. And again, there's no need to multiply this out by 3.14 and get a decimal. If you like to, then you could do that. But for our purposes, 6 pi is sufficient. So if this circle was our circle that we had in our example and had a radius of 3, then the entire, let me see if I could do this with another color. The entire distance around this circle, and I'm going slightly off the edge of the circle so you can see what I'm doing, but the point is we're going all the way around from end to end. This is the circumference, right? Our circumference is 6 pi, right? And then our area, we'll use blue here, is this area, is this part in here. Okay? All this shaded region inside here is 9 pi. Okay? So this was an introduction to working with circles, And make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to do a few more videos with more complicated examples where we'll get the area of, say, a donut or other interesting shapes. Okay? So till next time, practice, 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 and have a great day.